Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to add thoughts to your Facebook story. Whether you're sharing your mood, an inspirational quote, or just something on your mind, adding text to your story is a great way to express yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're using the latest version to ensure you have access to all the updated features. Step 2. On the main screen, tap on Create Story at the top left. This will take you to the story creation page, where you can customize your story with photos or videos. Step 3. Now, select the photo you want to add to your story. Choose a picture that you want to pair with your thoughts. It could be something personal, fun, or something you're just in the mood to share. Step 4. Once your photo is selected, tap on the sticker icon at the top right of the screen. This will bring up a variety of stickers and other creative options to enhance your story. Step 5. From the list of available stickers, tap the Thoughts icon. This will add a text box to your story, where you can write your thoughts. Step 6. Now, type your message or thought into the text box. Once you're happy with what you've written, tap Done at the top right to finalize your text. Step 7. Finally, tap Share to post your story. Your photo, along with your thoughtful message, will now be shared with your friends and followers. And that's it. You've just added a thoughtful message to your Facebook story in just a few easy steps. It's a great way to make your story more meaningful and personal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of your Facebook experience.